Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an egg sandwich the only easy way. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 2 eggs, your favorite bread, a slice of cheese, and some butter. Next, place a non-stick pan on your stove and set the heat to medium-low. This prevents burning and ensures even cooking. Finally, take your bread slices and lightly butter one side of each. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect golden brown, crispy exterior. Now let's get those eggs cooking perfectly. In a small bowl, whisk your 2 eggs thoroughly with just a pinch of salt and pepper. This adds flavor right from the start. Once whisked, pour the egg mixture directly into your preheated, lightly buttered pan. Use a spatula to gently push and fold the eggs as they cook, creating soft, fluffy curds. Stop cooking when they are just set, not dry.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. It really supports the channel. On another note, imagine enjoying your delicious egg sandwich while reading your favorite book. You can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for recipes or novels. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your eggs ready, it's time to assemble our delicious sandwich right in the pan. Take one of your buttered bread slices and place it butter side down onto the pan, directly over the heat. Quickly spoon your perfectly scrambled eggs onto this bread slice, spreading them evenly. Then, lay a slice of your favorite cheese directly on top of the warm eggs. The residual heat will start to melt it beautifully. To complete our masterpiece, take your second buttered bread slice and place it butter side up on top of the cheese. Now, carefully flip the entire sandwich over using your spatula. This allows the second side to toast to a beautiful golden brown. Cook each side for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until both sides are perfectly crispy and golden. Your cheese should be wonderfully melted by now.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.